Alright guys, I'm back at the house after like a minute walk. Oh frick! Ow! Comes out of nowhere. Whew. That was fun.
I am Hector.
Hector.
Mucho gusto.
He's 4 million subscribers. Really cool. Go subscribe to him. Part of the Iowa Animal Farm Refuge. He donated about $10,000. Insane. So, we're back in the house. Cool. We got the microwave. Got Cameron. We have the china cabinet. Have the plant. We have the table. We have the fridge. And then the whole thing
When I do
there.
my pigtails with my hat,
Vicky.
she calls it Anna hair.
Katie. We have that. We got Hector. Go subscribe. And iPhone TV over here. And we have that over there. Really cool. So I think I'm gonna end it up here. I will catch you guys in a little bit and see you in the next episode. Make sure to like and subscribe, donate. Bye.